To ensure peak success and support with our software, we highly encourage our clients to opt into our annual maintenance support plan, covering both monitoring and DNC systems. While you own all your data regardless of your plan status, safeguarding your investment with FactoryWiz MSP throughout the year is a smart business decision that offers true peace of mind. With the current maintenance and support plan, you'll receive comprehensive support from our knowledgeable technical support engineers via phone, email, or our online MSP portal. Our engineers' #1 goal is to provide prompt resolutions for any technical issues, big or small. Key benefits of the annual maintenance and support plan include software updates and upgrades. Stay current with the latest features and improvements. License protection and transfer. Ensure your licenses are secure and transferable. Discounts on custom software projects. Tailor our product to your shop's unique needs. Remote sessions. Swiftly implement high-impact hotfixes. And training. Ongoing product training to keep your team competent and efficient. We continuously upgrade our product, and staying up to date ensures you get the most return on your investment. Quick hotfixes are crucial to ensuring your OEE and production software is running the latest updates. And our remote sessions address these issues promptly to minimize or eliminate any downtime. Our custom software project discounts allow us to fine-tune our product to meet your specific requirements. Every shop is unique, and we aim to maximize your business's potential by adapting our software to fit your needs. With consistent training, we help ensure that all team members, regardless of turnover, are confident in using and understanding the software with minimal interruption to your manufacturing process. Our maintenance and support portal is designed specifically for our MSP customers, providing easy access to a support hub that keeps your information and support ticket requests streamlined and easily retrievable.